Doritos are some of the most popular crisps or chips in the world, but we're going to find out which one of the Dorito flavors makes the best sauce. We've got tangy cheese, cool original, chili heatwave, and golden sriracha. So the way it's going to work is, I'm going to make a sauce first. Here's my roux, which is basically, if you don't know, the step before a bechamel. Bechamel is just this and milk. Got a pan of pasta, which we're just going to use as our blank canvas to test the flavor. Which flavor do we go with first? Let's go with most notorious. Which I think is probably the tangy cheese. And all I'm going to do is just pour some milk straight in the bag. And I'm going to shake it just to get the flavor all together and get that milk passing through those crisps. Now, there is a hole in the bag. I'm going to pour that into my pan. So into there with a bit of our roux. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of our pasta water to that and give it a bit of a mix. And that's a much better consistency, that's what we're looking for. So we just add some pasta to that now and give that a mix around. And that is our tangy cheese Dorito pasta or sauce. At the sake of sounding stupid, let's see what this tastes like. Yeah, that's really nice. And again, at the sake of sounding stupid, that tastes like tangy cheese Doritos. I mean, I don't know what I was expecting.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Next one, golden sriracha. In here is our golden sriracha sauce, and I'm just gonna add some pasta to it, maybe some pasta water to get it to the right consistency. So our golden sriracha pasta is here. Let's give it a spin. That's good. That to me is like a spicy tomato. I'll update you at the end. The next flavor is chili heatwave. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty.
Shake your booty.
Chili heatwave sauce into a pan. Our chili heatwave sauce in with some pasta. Stirry, stirry. Time for the test. Okay. Okay. And finally, the Doritos Cool Original. What I'm doing here today is revolutionary. Forget going to the moon for the first time. Forget going to the moon the second time. This is where the future's at. Dorito sauce. And if you've ever had Doritos in your lifetime, then like this video, and I can do this with other stuff, so let me know if you want me to do some other videos along this line, like maybe Takis or something. Here it is, our Doritos Cool Original sauce. So we're gonna add some pasta in there. And let's take it for a spin.
Get in my belly!
Oh, okay, okay. Before your eyes.
Your ass? It's based on my ass, yeah.
You have Doritos Tangy Cheese, Doritos Chili Heatwave, Doritos Cool Original, and then Doritos Golden Sriracha. I'm gonna give you a rating. I'll start with the worst one, and that is the Sriracha. Golden Sriracha Dorito sauce is okay, but it's a bit linear. Like I said, it's just like a spicy tomato flavor. You know, overall, not bad, not bad, but just nothing special. Third best, tangy cheese. Tangy cheese is okay. It's a cheese sauce. You're gonna struggle to find someone that hasn't tried a cheese sauce, so therefore it comes third. Next up, we have Chili Heatwave. Now, Chili Heatwave Dorito sauce is nice because it has that sweetness, it has a bit of spices to it. It's not spicy, but it has spices to it. So this would be really good in, well, a pasta. Number one, the winner, but not a chicken dinner. Doritos Cool Original. When I tried this about 5 minutes ago, I thought, do you know where that would be phenomenal? And that's a lasagna. That would be absolutely phenomenal in lasagna. If you want me to make a Doritos lasagna, then all you gotta do is leave a like on this video and I'll do it. And you know, you're probably better off subscribing as well, because if you subscribe, you know when that video goes live. It's just common sense really, innit? I do these things so you don't have to, because ain't nobody got time for that. I'm helping you. It's a public service. The least you can do is subscribe. See you in the next one. Cheerio. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty.